Hey guys, it's Alison Victoria, and welcome to this month's picks. So this month, I wanted to go like kind of a cozy, contemporary cottage feel. One of my all-time favorites and my go-to. I've done this in my own kitchen and I absolutely love it. The Kensington Mist cabinet. It's a gray stain grade cabinet with a beautiful traditional raised panel and detail. I love the softness in this profile, and I like that you can actually make it a little more feminine or a little more masculine depending on what you pair with it. This will become my new favorite. I am so excited about the gray Owl XRP. It's a luxury vinyl. You just can't tell the difference between this and real wood. This looks like a beautiful white oak. The wide plank gives that illusion of a larger space in your kitchen. And then this amazing countertop, the Corsica Shadow Storm. I like that it looks like a jewel. I like that the gray tones here that you can see tie in with our cabinet, but then you get some of these lighter tones as well that go with our beautiful floor. So our hardware is pretty cool. It's a kind of a classic handle with this brushed brass look. So this is from Gracious Home. It's the Cullet Collection in the brushed brass. You get this gorgeous geometric pattern. And I just think it's like almost like creates an element of curiosity in the kitchen. Now with this collection, you could go a couple ways with your sink. You could do a traditional undermount stainless steel sink that will really tie beautifully with your brass, or you could go with a white granite undermount sink and a brushed brass faucet.